This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. Large entry welcomes you into this open floor plan from kitchen to family room west/wood burning fireplace to sunroom that opens to a large patio overlooking the privacy fenced yard. Glass French doors separate the office/den for privacy. Classy dining room features arched entry, wainscoting and hardwood floors. Neutral decor throughout. Main floor laundry room. Stairway at the back of the house takes you up to the master retreat and 3 more bedrooms. Master has cathedral ceilings, garden tub plus separate shower, double vanities and walk-in closet. All this on a cul-de-sac lot in an active neighborhood west/pool, playground, tennis, basketball and walking trails.